As we end 2014 with a list of projects and deadlines, we wanted to thank our customers who put their trust in Chicago Communications, and thank you for allowing us to provide solutions for all your wireless and 911 needs. Happy holidays and thank you.
As a company, we want to thank you for your valued business, and we wish you and your families a safe and happy holiday.
Thank you and happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Thank you and happy holidays.
To all those customers I've worked with during 2014 and those I look forward to working with during 2015, a very happy holidays.
Hi, my name is Michael Naiman. I'd like to wish you and your family a happy new year.
Счастливого Крисмаса дня и всего самого лучшего. Happy holiday and Christmas day.
To all our Chi-Com customers, happy holidays and have a great year next year.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Hi, this is Nancy Resman from the Marketing and Sales Department, and I just want to wish you a very happy, healthy, and safe holiday season.
Happy holidays from Chicago Communications.
Happy holidays from Chi-Com's Accounting Department.
Happy holidays.
Happy New Year.
Hello, this is Owen. I just wanted to wish you all a Happy New Year and a great holiday. Thank you.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays from Chicago Communications.
Thank you so much for your business this year. Happy holidays.
I'd like to wish you and yours the best of everything this holiday season.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from our Chicago location.
We appreciate your business and look forward to serving you again in the coming year.
From all of us at Chicago Communications, we wish you the happiest of holidays and a wonderful new year.